Go. Yeah. Hey, I'm Doug, and these are my little helper McHelpersons.
Hello, guys.
What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan and?
Liam.
Liam? Okay.
Yeah,
So,
what's number?
hopefully you already saw Boulder Extraction 1 video. This is the second video I'm making right after that. We are on location in our backyard. The first rock was in our front yard. This is the next boulder we're getting at. This is the last boulder of our fire pit that used to be here. It's just in a really awkward location, so all the other boulders I was able to get rid of just by hand, just by rolling them. But this one's a little bigger, so I have to use the extraction technique I showed you in video 1. So let's get to it. The first thing you need is this cleat. So it's a 2x4 with some big nails driven through it. This is the fulcrum that we're going to use to start prying the boulder out.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this rock out.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we tell how old we are?
Yeah, when I'm in a second.
We're trying to get
So I'm ratcheting this in the direction of the grade of the land. So even if it's 2 degrees, whatever it is, always pry in the downhill direction, because the slightest degree will help you out here. All right, boys. Just like in the first video, open hands when you're pressing down on the pry bar. Then when you're sure that it's a pretty good fit, yeah, good. You sit down on it, and then your hands are free to throw rocks. Of course, if you have helpers like this, you don't really need the hands free. But can you pass me a poking stick, Dilly?
Poking stick.
Yeah. Again, just in case you missed video 1, these are just a bunch of just a bunch of flat rocks I'm using for a driveway reconstruction project, which will also be in the description, in a link. So basically, if you don't have helpers like me, you're throwing the rocks in and then using the poking stick to wedge them in there. All right, yeah, don't put your hands in there, ever. You see what they just did? They put their hands under the rock. Big mistake.
Yeah.
You're a big mistake.
Alright, you get dirty. You're a big mistake to us.
Alright, so this is a ratcheting technique. You can see I just pried it up.
I need to do something.
Yeah. I just pried the rock up a little bit, and we're wedging a bunch of little flat rocks underneath. So I've ratcheted it up a few inches, so now you just rinse and repeat. Okay, watch out. Need a big rock.
So, what we're doing now? It doesn't make sense even. Hey, Daddy, are they looking at me? Because I think they do.
Yeah, it's stealing your soul.
Move over.
Hey, get out of the way, okay, Dilly? This is so people can learn how to do it also.
Oh, so people are watching this?
Not right now, but they will.
Yeah.
Millions of people.
Yeah, to watch a video.
Millions and millions.
I think they're watching it now, even we're doing it now.
Well, I haven't uploaded it yet, so. Yeah, try to get a rock in there. Where's my poking stick?
Okay, can you get that one? Wait. Oh, yeah, that's better.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good.
Can we to which number? Another one there. Do you have another small one? Oh, I need that one. Can we do our number?
Watch out. No, we don't put rocks. Now we don't put rocks.
I know a good idea. I'm gonna put this in.
No, we don't put rocks. We only put rocks when I lift it.
Okay.
Trust me. See, I'm gonna lift it in a second, then we put a bunch of rocks. Not yet.
Can,
Not yet.
can you do our number?
What? How old you are?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. How old are you, Bill?
Okay, hey guys, I'll show you what number I am. I'm 5. And what are you? 7. Hey, yeah, he's
What about
7.
me?
108, I think. No, 36.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, guys.
After
You
have
can
kids,
watch the
doesn't-
show. Sorry to pause. Of course, I was not trying to. Oh, but I have a rock too. It's here like, you know, the rock. You like pick up the
Put your
forest.
hands in there.
I'm not.
Not you.
So, I was just showing you the rock.
Okay, so after you've ratcheted it up,
Oh my god, there's a long worm.
we're about like at 45 degrees. You want to start testing if you can use your like praying mantis arms to try to roll it the rest of the way.
Hey, well, you got some. You got
Oh. You still need to work at it.
I'm not gonna hit the worm. They're cool. I like worms.
Hey,
Oh,
don't
it's
put
not
rocks.
these guys.
There's no point in putting rocks in.
This is a cool leaf kind of.
Just trust me.
Yeah,
okay? We're
but-
only putting rocks in when I lift it.
Well, my daddy.
Just trust me.
Walking, yeah.
Nope, not yet.
I'm going for this one. So you see the walking.
All right, now. Ooh,
Now
go on.
might get upper and upper.
Hey, Dilly, get out of the way, okay? Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm practicing like a
Yeah, they don't care about you. They care about the boulder.
Oh no, and I'm talking to doing something. Oh yeah, that's good. I know my dad is walking. I said that. So now I'll make a video of that crib. What?
No, you won't.
What? Oh yeah.
All right, no more, no more.
I was just with that.
There, put the rest of the rocks right here. Okay, watch out. Nope.
I'm going for this one. I'm gonna wait.
Okay. Oh boy.
You see my rock? Okay, guys.
Don't put your fingers in there.
Show you my stick. Do you like my sticky?
Oh, I just did it. So. All right, give me my pumpkin stick.
I like it. We just want to stay away. That's good one, huh?
Very good.
This one, I like it.
Let me see. Okay, I think I can get it.
Okay, can I put this in case you need it? You know what? That's so hard to carry for kids, actually.
Yeah.
So hard to then. You know what?
No.
You can't carry it.
Get
Sweet.
that.
I carry like. But we cannot carry it like a lot of fish.
Okay.
Like I can carry that.
So the boulder is officially out. Guys, get out of the way. I'm holding the balance here.
That is a balance.
And yeah, this thing is too big to probably get on my dolly again. But we're gonna try. Kids, give me that dolly.
Dad, are you done?
On the double.
And I'll push this.
Dad, get me the dolly. Or somebody. I'll do it. Thanks, Dilly. Okay, so this is a big dolly. I think this rock is too heavy, but we're gonna try.
Okay.
Maybe we'll try this way.
Maybe we'll try.
Nah, it's not gonna work. Nah, this rock is too big. Alright.
We gotta put some more like this, right? Push it, right?
Nah, I just gotta roll it. Oh.
I see a wall. He's with the other worm. He's with the worm. He's not. Oh, he was. I found one. Oh, here. No, don't. Why are you putting them? There's one too big. They like this. Do you know which one? Be careful for them. Oh, please put them where they were, please. No, please, please. Just please put them where they were. Why? I know where wolves live. What? I know wolves live. Where? They live on the ground, and sometimes they go on rocks. And they hold a story there. It's warm, like you drink water, you know? And I like wolves. Ow,
That's about it for this video. This boulder is actually a little bigger than I thought, so
Yes?
I cannot get it on the hip dolly. I'm gonna have to use another technique, which I'll be showing in another video, called the ratchet rock sled. Also with the ratcheting system, except you're ratcheting it on a sled to move it. So that'll be another video. One of the hard parts is over. Hey guys, you want to say goodbye?
I know, I like that. Whoa, guys, we're done?
Yeah, we're done.
Bye.
Dylan?
Bye, guys. Like, bye, whatever I just said.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, I have a worm in my hand.
Oh, nice.
Wait, catch.